Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Find the Fridges. In today's video, we're going to be finding the fridge. Okay, let's go. Hey, shop! Sorry, guys, I had to shut up my rat. Anyways, guys, I see a fridge already. Shop! Guys, I see a fridge. Shop! Stop playing it. Oh my god, I'm going to kill you. Yo, is that Cactus Fridge? Moai? Are you the hero the legend speaks of? What legend? Legends say a hero will save me from starvation and deliver me an orange juice and hamburger from Fridge Donald's. I don't know, bro. Sounds kind of fake. But the legend says you gotta deliver me. What's in it for me? I'll give you a cool, epic fridge. Alright, bro. I'll do it. Splendid. Let's go get a fridge. Or, let's go. Bro, what is this goofy all quest? On God. Shut up! Oh, we gotta go to Fridge Donald's. Does anyone know where the... Stop. Jeez. Alright, where's the Fridge Donald's at? Yeah, it's over here, guys. Guys, this is an epic game. Oh, we're at the Fridge Donald's. I guess we just get the rotten burger. Milkshake machine broken. Oompa loompa. Become a chef. What? We can become a burger? Wait, oh. We have to serve this many. Okay. Cook meat. Oh, we gotta get the meat first. Grab hamburger bun. Cook meat. Hamburger bun. I don't know how any of this works. Grab cheese. Oh, I didn't even grab the meat. I grabbed the bun. Alright, guys. Come on. We got a speedrun making the burger. Cooked meat. We gotta get cheese. We gotta get cheese, guys. Bro, this is a really good game. We gotta get another bun. I didn't know there was a whole side quest of making burgers. Greetings, new recruit. I am the Chef Fridge. With my 4-step making method, you'll be making the most... Can I get a raise? No. Okay. What a funny game, guys. Let's give it to Bob. Alright, what's next? Grab hamburger bun. Speedrun. Grab raw meat. Meat cooker 500. Come on. Okay. Put there. Get cheese. Come on. Get second bun. Bro, this is complicated. Marvin's burger. Marvin from Petscop. Which one's Marvin? Is it the green one over here? That would be a funny reference, though. Where's Marvin? Oh, here's Marvin. Of course. Take your burger, dang. Alright, how do I leave? Your burgers are rotten. All I did was... Bro, 500 years? Yes. How do I leave? Do I gotta do all the... Throw item away. Alright. I'm gonna just find out how to leave real quick. Oh, here it is. I'm out of here. Screw that place. Let me go get another burger, though. We got a burger. Okay, let's go. Hold on. Is there anything else back here? Oh! We had exactly enough fridges to get the job thing. Okay. Haven't been over here yet. Is there a fridge back here? Nope. Okay. Back. Cancel. So let's go to the sandy desert. Let's go back here. Huh. What legend? I don't know, bro. Sounds kind of fake. How do I get an orange juice? Chat in it because I teleported away, actually. Didn't walk away. We're going to go find... Oh, there's a bank. Important legal work. Please burn. Can I get the painting? Oh! It was a fridge. Let's go. I'm so good at this. What the heck? What happened over here? Why is there a rat here?
Rat?
There's a rat working minimum wage over here. Oh, it's a stair. Oh, it's a gum fridge. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. What is he doing in the office? What this burger? We got Poppy Playtime 67400. Oh, we got the rich burger. Oh, it's actually rich fridge. Excuse me. I forgot I'm playing Find the Fridges, not burgers. What the heck? Banana fridge. Why did King Kong have the banana fridge? Is there anything else up here? Wait, oh. Got one shot this. Did I get it? Helicopter fridge. Let's go. Alright, we can go now. There's a campfire over here. This is probably not for nothing. There's probably a fridge over here. You guys think so? Leave me your answers in the comments below. Leave your answers in the comments below and I will ban you. Wait, is this actually for nothing? Okay. Huh. This game sucks. Wait, oh, never mind, okay. I haven't been to the sewers yet. Well, yes, I have. It's your last episode. Let's go to the snowy biome. This is the last one I haven't been to yet. There's an igloo. Oh, frozen fridge, guys. Oh, there's a fridge over there. Ah. A walrus fridge. There's a snowball. I bet there's a fridge. Oh, there's a button. Yo. I think we gotta press all the buttons for something. Because I saw a button on the first episode. So maybe there's something with the buttons. Let's climb up here, guys. There's a mountain. Oh, it's a second snowball. What's up here? Oh, no. There's no... More parkour? Are you serious? Okay, how hard could this be? Ignore that. Yo, we're doing this first try right now. Bro, what? Oh, they disappear. Oh. Go. Go. No, I died to the thing. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. First try right now. Ignore all the other tries. This is the first one. Okay, first try right now. Ignore the other tries. This is the first one. Oh crap. It's easy. Gaming. Oh. Oh, I know what I'm supposed to do there, guys. Guys, do you know what I'm supposed to do there? Leave your answers in the comments below.
No.
How dare you? That was what we were supposed to do, guys.
No.
Did you get it right? I don't care. Shut up. Alright. One more try before I give up. Oh. Oh, never mind. Okay. I broke the floor for a second. Also, ignore me saying one more try before I give up and then keep going.
No.
Oh. 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 Let's go. Oh. Ugh. This looks like the Sans room. Okay, let's keep going. Anyways. Easy. Easy. On God. Oh my God. The hell? Oh! This puzzle sucks. This is worse than the brain one from episode 2. That's worse than that time I was shush. Wait, oh, they just... Bruh. I hate those jumps. Okay, let's skip ahead. Guys, we completed the ice puzzle after like 5 minutes, but we completed the ice puzzle and we got the penguin fridge. The penguin fridge. What is this? Oh. Is there anything down there? Oh, there is. I'll check that out in just a bit. Guys, do you see... Oh, crap, I almost fell off. Just like on Twitter. Anyways. Look at this. Look at him. Winter fridge. He's hanging in the little cart thing. It's on like every movie. And they say it's like related to winter, even though no one gives a crap and it's not really related. Oh, there's another fridge over here. Sorry, what were we talking about? Oh, wait, I'm at 40 fridges. We have to get this one next episode. So, thank you all so much for watching. I'm gonna jump off of this now. They ruined everything for